Hey guys, quick issue with the Rambo here. I was streaming on Sunday to the Facebook group, and I was doing an aluminum cut here, doing my numpad, and I don't know, 10 minutes in, it quit on me. I lost connection, and now I'm unable to connect to it on CNC.js as well as the Arduino IDE software. So in CNC.js, I'm just getting this connected message, and this is 25,000. I've tried different baud rates. I've tried different USB cables. I'm getting, 11.9 volts on the board. If I open up my Arduino software here, just want to show the message here. If anyone has any suggestions on what to try, I am all ears. I got my Rambo board selected, my COM port is selected, and if I go ahead and hit upload, so what I'm doing here is basically just flashing the firmware again to see if maybe an aluminum chip got caught on the board somewhere. I have triple checked it, can't find any shorts anywhere on the board. I've blown it with compressed air and can't find anything. So this is me just trying to flash my firmware again, and it will not recognize it. And this is the message we get: timeout, communicating with programmer. So up top here, I've got my programmer is set to AVRISP MK2. I've tried a couple different of these, but I haven't had any success. So I lost communications with the laptop. The cut failed, obviously, and now I can't see it in CNC.js or the Arduino. So I've checked all fuses on board. I've tried different USB cables. My voltage is good. If anyone has any suggestions on how to fix this, I'd be all ears. I do have a new one on the way. Should be here Friday, and then we'll go from there. So if anyone has any issue or has any suggestions, I'd be all ears. Thanks, guys.